cat cam.
Yeah, it's the cat cam, but now it's the thing.
The Mickey
I don't know, it's probably super hard to see. So here's my bed right now, and this is the TV bank.
The
That's so English. The TV table? I don't know. And a TV on it, and then there's this weird wall that I have in my room. But I was thinking of here where the desk is, Daniel, is where I think I should put my green screen against this this wall. I don't know, it just...
TV bank?
I really want my green screen to be behind so I can like record videos and stuff without having to put the green screen behind me all the time. I want it to constantly be behind me. Maybe you understand what you can do here, right?
No.
You weirdo. Nere på botten, där är det toppen. I can only the Swedish one. We're talking away, I don't know what I'm saying. I'll say it anyway. Today's another day to find you shying away. I'll be coming for you. Ah! You made me!
Make my way downtown.
Make me the leader. Shake it, Daniel. Walking fast. That's not the song.
No, that's not the song.
Ah!
Take
Oh no. Wait, I have two things to make, right? The rod and the net. Daniel, I need to go make them.
Be gone in a day or...
Okay, calm down. Did you get your energy? You were super tired just now. So freaking cute. I can create the ocarina. Nice try, monkey.
Whoa. Jesus Christ.
Jeez, calm down. Fishing and stuff.
And I'm homebound.
Daniel.
Why is that button there?
Yoink. Your face. When you jumped over is so cute.
I think it's the other side.
What is this?
What are you doing?
Dun dun.
Oh.
Dun dun dun. Oh.
So,
That's freaking common.
you shit yourself?
It's like kind of a bark, but it's like it's going higher and higher in the pitch. It's like yeah. You need to inhale at the same time as you do it.
Inhale?
Yeah, it's gonna sound crazy, but they do sound crazy. Almost. Oh, you almost.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you're gonna hurt your vocal cords. Is that correct?
What does the fox say?
The fox is a weird creature though.
In Skyrim.
It's like almost a dog, but at the same time it's like also something else. Daniel!
Quick swip.
Quick swip.
Quick swip.
Just shoot it down, you
Do
have it.
No, you can do it.
Have you ever had a paranormal experience?
Ooh, I haven't.
Kinda. At Daniel's I felt like some presence.
What are you?
Someone.
It was just me.
Someone related to your mom. I felt. When I lived
What's it supposed to mean?
in your apartment, you and your mom's apartment, at the beginning of COVID. During those months. Maybe I was going insane, but I felt something. And I kind of saw something. I wasn't scared though, so it was a safe spirit.
Why haven't you told me about
I
this?
do believe that. I have.
No, you have not.
Yes, I have, but you've like you've suppressed it. That's my theory.
Well, what happened then? Did you see it?
No, I was like, I was sitting playing or something in bed, and then the door was like kind of open, and I felt like someone was walking by, but you were in the room. Yeah, I just saw something move past, and I just felt a presence. It's hard to describe. Oh, you got a dab. You dabbed off camera.
Nope. I've had one.
Yeah, now it's your turn.
A paranormal experience. I wasn't very old. It was a long time ago. and I was at my cousin's place. Random music videos
When
I
more
bonk.
sound. Begin from the beginning.
Okay,
Restart.
a long time ago, I was at a lawn party with my good friend. We were playing some games, whatever you do, and then when it gets late, you tend to just put on some random music or talk about random shit, and so you get all weird, you know, when you get tired. So we were listening to the Ketchup remix thing for
Ketchup, put.
yes.
That one.
Ketchup, punkt. Japp, punkt. Ketchup, the bankkonto. Ketchup, punkt.
That's one for Felix Ketchup.
It's
So
a Swedish thing.
We were listening to that one. Oh,
Keep going then.
get it, please.
Oh, I don't have it. You need to do it.
No.
Stop exiting the
No.
game. Oh, that was close. Let's go fix the slingshot before we fish anymore. Okay, keep your story going.
Okay, so we were listening to Ketchup. Ketchup remix. And then, as we were listening to that, now you're doing the same thing.
Keep talking. Don't mind me.
We were listening to the Ketchup remix, and everyone was asleep. Everyone else was home. There was only one other person.
Continue. Just continue, my dude.
So, yes, we were listening to the Ketchup remix, and as we were doing that,
Oh god. I don't even remember the full story, so I can't tell it, even though it's broken. God damn it.
and then, all of a sudden, we heard some weird noises in the background. Like someone were doing stuff downstairs in the kitchen or whatever. And we were really confused. We couldn't really tell where the sound came from at first. And so we stopped listening to the music video.
Ketchup, the bankkonto.
Then everything in the background stopped as well. And so we were like, okay, maybe there was nothing. We started listening.
I just urged him to fish. I just shaked my head. Oh, he's lost crying. Jesus, Daniel. Go and hug Cario and pull yourself together, mate. Yeah, it was going so well, even.
And as we were listening to it, we started hearing the noises in the background again. And so we decided to leave the remix on as we started walking downstairs. It was like some weird music, but it was like backwards, I remember. So downstairs in the kitchen, when we were like halfway downstairs, we heard some, well, basically like the radio or something that was playing backwards. And we were like very confused, of course, but we continued slowly to go downstairs. And as like I reached the final step of the stairs and we reached the hallway, the radio stopped playing all of a sudden. And so we just froze. And it was pitch black, so you couldn't see shit. And then we heard this like really loud, what's it called? Like, oh, what's the word for it? No, not the static. No, not a footstep. Like a house that creaks. Creak is the word. Crack? House crack.
No, Daniels, calm down. Not again.
It wasn't house crack. So yeah, we heard like a really...
Can you wait? This makes sounds.
Jesus Christ. This story is so ruined now anyway, so...
It's still good.
So we heard some weird shit, so we basically just rushed upstairs again. When we came upstairs, the remix had stopped playing. So...
Oh.
It's quite interesting how that happened. Like the radio started playing backwards whenever the song was on, and then when it wasn't on, we couldn't hear anything. And we obviously heard like it was like someone moving or something going on downstairs. And so we just rushed upstairs where another person was sleeping, one of the grown-ups, and she was like, "Well, there isn't anything here, blah blah blah." She was just tired, she didn't really give a shit. But we were still scared. Stop making me push weird shit. But we later found out the day afterwards that the radio had stopped working as well. So so they eventually just threw that away. So then we never really heard anything more about it.
Yeah. When I heard that story for the first time, it was like, ew.
I guess that's the creepiest thing that I've experienced. That feels like paranormal at least. Doesn't have to be.